I never stop loving that. Anyway, it's time for Neil's Spiel about the left's spiel about the richest sweet deal. And like clockwork, starting off the new year, bashing him and demanding still more cash from him. Shock of shocks. Harry Reid and Liz Warren picking up on last year's anti-rich crusade by upping the ante and upping the threat. For the rich, it goes, I think, something like this. You got it, we want it, now cough it up and give it. But here's my question. Give what? They already raised the top rate to 39.6%. What's more, you throw in Medicare and healthcare-related surtaxes on the rich, it is now closer to about 45%. I haven't even gotten into state and local taxes. That takes that rate well over 50, close to 55%. So, if paying more than half your income in taxes isn't enough, then tell me exactly what is enough. Is it 55%? Is it 60%? Is it 70%? What? What is it? All I know is Charlie Rangel once told me the top rate used to be north of 70%, so quoting here, we have a lot more room to go. To go where, Congressman? Back to those levels when you all but chase money out of this country? And they wonder why corporations keep so much money in other countries, countries that want that money and will offer any enticement they can to get more of that money. I mean, is it me or is it any wonder that money finds a home where it finds the least resistance and the fewest penalties? That is why corporations seek out havens. They're not stupid. And they seek out those with the lowest tax rates, not the highest tax rates in the industrialized world, not the kind of rates they're finding in this corner of that world. Pity a lot of liberals don't get it, but tragic they have the nerve to keep pushing it. Just when the economy is gaining traction, despite them, we're risking chucking it all because of them? Because I distinctly remember President Obama saying, finally the rich are paying their fair share when he got his tax hikes through. I told you then, like I'm telling you now, that he wasn't through. Because it is far easier to demand more revenue than it is to simply show some spending resolve. So, I resolve to settle this once and for all. What is a fair share in taxes?